Hey you guys, so today I'll be doing an unboxing. I got this package, this Amazon package from a store on Amazon, and they would like for me to show and do a product review on this shelf. And since I'm revamping my home and changing the interior design of my entire home, I thought that this would be a great product to show you guys. I was very pleased to notice that the shelf is great quality. It goes with the boho aesthetic that I'm looking for my home, and is perfect to hang and display any plants or crystals that I have.